I left this out in the first video, so I wanted to talk to you about how you're going to present your visual aid. You will not hold your laptop. Ideally, you can present it, but I am looking for interaction with your visual aid. It doesn't have to be anything over the top, but let's say that I have my, I'm going to lower my desk a little bit here. So let's say that you have your laptop and it's next to you. Again, you cannot hold it. It has to be in the camera shot, okay? And so right here would ish work. I'm kind of limited because my camera here is mounted to my computer, so I can't really move it. But you need to be both you and your visual aid. If it's presented somewhere behind you and you walk away from it while you're giving your speech, that is just okay. But you do have to interact with it. That doesn't mean you have to be touching it the whole time, but as you can see here, you know, whatever it is on your visual aid, you have to reference it. And so it's not a big note card. If you look at it the whole time, you're not going to be very happy with your grade. And you have to be the one to control it. You can't let anybody else control it for you. It has to be you. And then don't be behind it. Don't put it on something and be behind it, because that's awkward as well. So it needs to be next to you. And if you have any questions on that, let me raise this back up, or need any clarification, let me know.